Welcome to the RAG Assistant. If you haven't installed it yet, just go to the Chrome Web Store and search RAG. Then install the extension. The RAG extension link is in the description of this video. Now, let's move on to setting up your API keys. First, let's talk about API keys. Think of these as passwords that let our extension talk to different AI models. You'll see 6 API key fields here. Here's what you need to know. You only need to set up one AI model key to get started. The rest are completely optional. For example, if you have an OpenAI API key, just paste it here in the OpenAI API key field. That's it. You can now use GPT-4 and other OpenAI models. Or, if you prefer Anthropic's Claude, paste your Anthropic key here instead. You can add multiple AI provider keys if you want to switch between different models. But again, just one is enough to start. Google, DeepSeek, and Grok keys are also supported, but these are completely optional. Only add them if you specifically want to use those AI models. Now, there's one special key here, the SERPR API key. This key is for web search functionality. If you want your AI assistants to search the internet for live, real-time information, like current news, stock prices, or latest updates, you'll need this key. The good news? SERPR offers 2,500 free searches per month. Just click this link, create a free account at serpr.dev, and paste your key here. If you don't need web search, you can skip this for now. Next, let's configure your AI model settings. First, we have Default Chat Model. This is the AI brain that will power your assistants. If you added an OpenAI key, you'll see GPT models here. If you added Anthropic, you'll see Claude models. Pick the one you want to use by default. I recommend GPT-4o for the best results, or Claude Sonnet if you're using Anthropic. But you can choose any model based on your needs and budget. The embedding model is for your knowledge base, the documents you upload to your assistants. This model converts your documents into searchable data, so the AI can find relevant information quickly. If you're using OpenAI, just leave this as Text Embedding 3 Large. It's the best option and works perfectly. If you're using Anthropic or other providers, you'll see their embedding models here. Just pick the one that matches your AI provider. Now, the temperature setting. This controls how creative or focused your AI responses are. Think of it like this. Lower temperature, around 0, makes the AI very focused and precise. Perfect for factual answers, data extraction, or technical support. Higher temperature, closer to 2, makes the AI more creative and varied. Great for writing, brainstorming, or creative content. The default is 0.7, which is a perfect balance for most use cases. I recommend keeping it here unless you have a specific reason to change it. Next is max tokens. This controls how long the AI's responses can be. One token is roughly 4 characters or 3/4 of a word. So 2,000 tokens equals about 1,500 words. That's roughly 1 page of text. For most tasks, 2,000 tokens is perfect. But if you need longer responses, like full articles or detailed reports, you can increase this to 4,000 or even 8,000. Just remember, higher token limits cost more API credits. Start with 2,000. You can always increase it later. Finally, let's set up RAG configuration. RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. This is how your AI searches through uploaded documents. Don't worry if this sounds technical. The defaults work great. But let me explain what each setting does. Chunk size, set to 1,000, is how many characters we break your documents into. Imagine your 50-page manual gets split into small, digestible pieces of about 1,000 characters each. When you ask a question, the AI searches these chunks to find the most relevant information. 1,000 characters is the sweet spot. Not too big, not too small. Chunk overlap, set to 200, means each chunk shares 200 characters with the next chunk. Why? So important information doesn't get cut off at chunk boundaries. This overlap ensures the AI never misses context that spans multiple chunks. Top K results, set to 5, controls how many relevant chunks the AI retrieves when you ask a question. So if you ask, "How do I fix Wi-Fi issues?" the AI will find the 5 most relevant chunks from your documents and use them to answer. 5 is perfect for balanced, accurate responses. Finally, similarity threshold, set to 0.25. This determines how closely a chunk must match your question to be included. Lower threshold, closer to 0, means the AI will include more chunks, even if they're loosely related. This is helpful when you're not sure exactly what you're looking for. Higher threshold, closer to 1, means only very closely matching chunks are included. This gives more precise answers, but might miss relevant information. The default 0.25 is a great balance. It's loose enough to find related information, but strict enough to avoid irrelevant results. I recommend keeping it here. Once you've entered your API keys and adjusted any settings, don't forget to save. Click Save Settings at the bottom. You'll see a confirmation message, and you're all set. Your settings are automatically saved to your browser, so you won't need to enter them again, even if you restart Chrome. Let's quickly recap. To get started with RAG Assistant, 1. Add at least one AI API key, OpenAI, Anthropic, or any other provider you prefer. 2. Optionally, add SERPer API key for web search, 2,500 free searches per month. 3. Choose your default AI model, GPT-4o or Claude Sonnet recommended. 4. Keep the default settings for temperature, max tokens, and RAG configuration. They work great out of the box. And 5. Click Save Settings. Done. That's it. Your RAG Assistant is now configured and ready to use. The RAG extension link is in the description of this video. And once again, here's a quick reminder on how to install this amazing extension. Just go to the Chrome Web Store and search RAG, then install the extension. In the next video, we'll create your first AI assistant and see the magic happen. Let's go!